Hi everyone, I'm Grant. Today, I'm going to show you how I use this AI writing tool to create an SEO-optimized blog and a high-converting landing page in just 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll not only be able to make a blog like this, but also learn how to batch generate articles, optimize for SEO, publish quickly to your site, and understand its pros, cons, and common pitfalls to avoid. This video is divided into 6 parts. 1. One-click blog generation. 2. Creating a super landing page. 3. Batch article generation. 4. SEO optimization and article fine-tuning. 5. Pricing and plan selection. 6. Software pros, cons, and precautions. At the end, I'll also provide a free prompt template to help you get started quickly. Blog title importance. A good blog must start with a good title. Today, we're using a camera review article as an example. Here's a common mistake beginners make: choosing a title that's too broad, which results in almost no traffic. For example, the best camera of 2025. If you use a title like this, your blog will barely get any views. Here are 3 core standards for titles. 1. Target audience. 2. Help them pick a camera within their budget. 3. Stay under $2,000. With these standards, we start looking for suitable products. We'll use Canon R6 and Sony A7 to write a review blog. Open SEMrush, find keywords with low to medium competition, then use those keywords to ask GPT to generate 10 blog titles. We pick one topic, copy it over, then return to generate several keywords and copy them together for the AI. One-click blog generation. The following settings determine the quality of your blog. Language, choose based on your country. Article type. For this Canon and Sony review, select product review. You can also choose tutorial or guide if needed. Article length, 1,200 to 2,400 characters recommended. Tone, friendly or professional, authoritative if preferred. AI writing model supports GPT Cloud. I chose the default AI model. Reading difficulty, grade 8 to 9 for easy reading. Clear basic AI vocabulary. Scroll down and add article details. If you don't know what to write, let GPT generate them for you. Include details like model, price, and comparison highlights. In the Media Center, select 4 images, style, photo. Check add alt descriptions for each image. Insert 1 video per blog. Run SEO keywords to generate needed terms. You can also delete or add more keywords. For the article opening, I choose quotation style, but you can select whatever you like. Internal and external links. For internal links, select the website where you want to publish. The tool will scan your site and naturally insert links to related posts. For external links, choose automatic. It will search for authoritative articles and insert 1 to 2 links naturally. Make sure Connect to Internet is on. It will scan top 10 ranking articles, summarize their structure and content, and generate a completely original blog. Use the outline editor to check the article structure. If you're not satisfied, you can adjust it before final generation. Select the website for publishing. I usually publish as a draft first, then finalize and publish later. Check the last option, add meta description to excerpt. After generation, the blog outline looks clear and logical. Now the basic setup is done. Click run and wait about 2 minutes. Quick recap while waiting. 1. Identify your audience's needs. 2. Help them solve a problem. 3. Choose the right language. 4. Select the right article type. 5. Media Center. Add images plus videos, alt text. 6. Edit or remove irrelevant keywords. 7. Enable internal links to your site. 8. Turn on external links. 9. Enable Connect to Internet. 10. Run the outline editor and verify structure. Let's move on to generating a super blog page. To do this, you need a detailed prompt. The more specific your prompt, the higher the blog quality. We'll let GPT write it for us. User wants a camera around $2,000. Compare Canon R6, $1,999 versus Sony A7, $98. Include affiliate links. When readers purchase via your links, you earn commissions. GPT generated our prompt. We copy it over, add our affiliate links, and wait for the super blog to generate. Looking at the first blog result, the overall layout and details look good. Check in your website backend. Once generated, it's directly published as a draft. Make small edits, then publish officially. Back to the writing tool. Check the second blog we just made. The super page layout is cleaner, details and card formatting are better, and the content is more detailed. If I wrote this manually, it would take a full day. Hiring a professional writer would cost $80 to $120. I noticed one image didn't look great. Let's fix it. Go to the website backend and fine-tune the article and SEO. SEO optimization, current SEO score 78. Add focus keywords Sony A7 versus Canon R6 to images and meta description. No internal camera reviews, add one manual internal link, and the SEO score hits 89. Now we have a fully SEO-ready blog. This AI tool can generate 100 blogs at once. Fill in main keywords, blog titles, then set article type, AI model, etc. Generate in batches. I recommend 5 to 10 blogs at a time. Review manually to avoid duplicate content, then publish in stages. Pricing. Here comes the part everyone cares about. I use the $79 month plan. With my link, there's a small discount. Basic, $14 month. 10 super pages, 50 blogs, for single websites or personal use. Pro, $59 month. 250 blogs, 50 super pages, for multi-site owners or small teams. Biggest difference, Basic cannot use internal and external link functions. You can try 5 articles for free, and there's a 30-day refund policy if you're not satisfied. Pros and cons. Cons first, super pages look great, but can't auto-publish the backend. Some human fine-tuning is still needed. Pros, saves huge amounts of time, perfect as an efficiency booster. Final summary. Today's AI writing tool beginner guide walked you through creating a full SEO blog in 10 minutes, one-click high-converting landing pages, safe batch strategy, 5 to 10 per batch, AI draft, human edit, SEO optimized workflow, plan comparison and use cases, 30-day trial and core pros and cons, 3 key rules. 1. Focus on your users. Who are they? What do they need? 2. Pick low competition long-tail keywords. Use top 10 outlines. 3. AI plus human. AI generates fast, humans verify and differentiate. Pitfall alerts. Always proofread batch content. Verify latest data for online fetch results. Free prompt template in the description. Just copy and use it. Comment below, which product do you want me to review next? Or any questions, I'll cover them in the next video. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Otherwise, my cat will be sad, and you don't want that. Thanks for watching. I'm Grant. See you next time.